Well, folks, all we await now is the referee's whistle to get us underway for the first time at the brand new Optim Sports Medicine Field. The 100th game for Tormenta in League One, and we are underway. Ajay, great cutback, the spin. Green first time behind for a corner. In fact, all of their final 3 matches, including this one, are against teams that they are down in the series with. So there's so much discussion. Terzaghi, a bobble, has it from distance. That'll be easy for Bush. Otieno again releases Sterling. 4-on-3. Sterling takes it himself straight at Fitzgerald. They're racking up these set pieces here. It's been a weak spot for Richmond. Middle of the box. It's going to be last off of Dingler. Bill Hart. Driven in, Sterling. Ajay. Fitch forced into an awkward clearance. Otieno first to it. Corralled by Bill Hart. Skips by 1 challenge. Step overs on his left. Fitzgerald. Right in front of goal. And it'll go across. Off the field and into the history books. Otieno first to it. Corralled by Bill Hart. Skips by 1 challenge. Step overs on his left. Fitzgerald. Right in front of goal. And it'll go across. Off the field and into the history books. Adeniyi has inscribed his name across the page as the first goal scorer in Optim Sports Medicine Field. Does come as a result of a corner. The set piece here yielding this opportunity that just falls out for Dangler. Does exactly what he's supposed to. You can see immediately the arm goes up, claiming credit for this one. Here's a look. The acrobatic attempt first. Dingler. And then just coming off a heel perhaps and putting it into the corner. They don't care. So Cabral and Bill Hart. Who will it be? Cabral takes it low and on the doorstep. Back-to-back goals. So Cabral and Bill Hart. Who will it be? Cabral takes it low and on the doorstep. Back-to-back goals. It's always great to scroll across your Twitter feed at the end of the night and just see how many people have their minds blown by this league. Bolaños, Terzaghi on his right, saved by Bush. Sterling spinning on his right, blocked by Fitzgerald to try and salvage the win. It's scuffed, and that will do it. The Kickers spoil the festivities, prevent Tormenta from making history tonight.